What's up, guys? And in this video we will be talking about the email tab. Okay, so we've got some email notifications, and then we've got the email sender options, and then we've got the designing, we can say, template. Okay, so you can see we've got this email, and here we've got new order, canceled orders, and these right here. So what does this mean? Is that whenever a new order is placed, the email is actually sent to your email address, which is actually you are the shop owner. So here would be your email address, and the email would be sent to you. Same like this, if an order is cancelled, email would be sent to you. Same like this, if an order is failed, email would be sent to you. You can also go ahead and you can manage something. Let's suppose that if an order is actually failed, then you don't want to get the email, so you can go ahead and you can say that I don't want to enable this notification, and you can then just go ahead and you can hit submit, save changes, or you can say this is right here, and now if you just go back, then you will see that there would be no email for this. Okay, so like this, we've got if an order is on hold, then the email is going to be sent to customer. If an order isn't processing, completed, and refunded, the email would be sent to customer. Same like this, we've got customer invoice / order details. Customer invoice emails can be sent to customers containing their order information and payment links. Okay, if you just go ahead and you manage it right now here, then you can see we've got this right here. So it says customer invoice email. And this we've got the subject, so it's gonna be like subject and invoice for order. So this is gonna be the subject of the email. Then we've got the email heading. Okay, then we've got the subject paid, your site title, order from, and then here is gonna be order date. Okay, and then we've got the email heading, so it can be like available placeholder, site title, order date, and everything. So you can add the email heading here, and then we've got the email type, so you can choose a plain text. You can also choose HTML if you want to. Okay, so now you can go ahead and you can come up here and you can go back, and you can see we've got customer note, we've got just reset password, and then we've got this new account. So if a new account is created, the email would be sent to the customer. Now we've got this email sender option, so you can see this from is basically from my e-commerce site, which is our title for this our basically website. So this is what is grabbed from here, and then we've got the from address. So this is actually the address that you have actually entered when you were actually installing WordPress. Okay, and then we've got the email template. So here you can add a header image if you want to. That's going to be our logo. Okay, so then here you can say you can add some footer text. It's gonna be like site title, or you can add some more copyrights or something like that. Same like this, you can add some colors right here, so you can select a color from here and then you can use it. So base color would be this, and the body text color would be this. I would actually recommend you to choose the exact same color that you are actually using on your site, so that your invoice and your site color theme basically matches. That's all for the email here. In the next video, we will be talking about our advanced section. Or let's just do it right now. Okay, you can see we've got the page setup here. It says these pages need to be set so that WooCommerce knows where to send users to check out. So you can see these pages are automatically created when you actually install WooCommerce. Okay, if you actually go there, then you can see these pages are created, and you can go ahead and you can just select any page, and then you can see this out there. So let's suppose that if you want to actually don't want to use this cart page as actually this cart page, you want to create a shopping cart page. Okay, you want to name your cart as shopping cart. Okay, so you're gonna name it as shopping cart, and then you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna hit this publish. Okay, and once you've published it, what you have to do, you have to come up here and you have to select your the page that you have actually created. Okay, let's suppose that I just come up here, I say that I have my shopping cart, I go down and I just hit save changes, and now what you have to do, you have to go to your store right now, and let's see if our cart is working or not. Okay, I'm just gonna say that I would like to be taken to my cart, so I just click here and I will be taken to shopping cart, and my shopping cart is basically empty. And the reason for that is because you have to enter a code in here. That code is right here, so you have to hover your mouse and it says page content is equals to WooCommerce _ cart, which is right here. So you have to just use the exact same word here in a square bracket, just write WooCommerce _ cart, and then you have to go ahead and you have to hit update, and this page will be fully converted into your cart. So if you just come up here and you then refresh this, then you can see our shopping cart page is actually right here, and this is how it's working. So if you actually want to create a custom page or something like that, then you can do that. Otherwise, why would you want to do that? So you can just keep it the normal cart. Okay, you can just keep it cart, and then you can come up here and you can hit the save changes. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to the pages, basically all pages, and I'm gonna delete this shopping cart page because I don't need it. So this is right here. So trash, hit trash, and it's gonna be gone. If you also just hit edit to the cart page, then you will see that there would be a code here, which is automatically done by the WooCommerce. So if WooCommerce hasn't done it for you, and if you are not seeing cart page, checkout page, my account page, then what you have to do, you have to just go to this advanced, and you can see we've got cart, checkout, my account, and terms and conditions. So you have to just get these, hover your mouse here, and you will be given a code. You have to just go ahead and you have to paste that code. If you define the terms page, the customer will be asked if they accept the terms while checking out. So basically, this is a great option because since you have an online store and people will be buying from it, that is why it is recommended to have a terms and conditions page about like refund and something like that. So because people may come to you and they ask for the refund, so you have to define the terms and conditions like that. If there is 1 week and we have sold the product, we will not accept the refund or something like that. So you can just add it, and you can then just add that here. So I'm just gonna hit add new here, and I'm just gonna name this page as terms and conditions. Okay, and I'm gonna just hit here, and I'm gonna say condition 1, C2, C3, C4, and so on. Okay, so I'm just gonna hit publish, and this is right here. Now I can go ahead and I can just select the terms and conditions page from here, but first I have to refresh so that I get the list of pages, and then I have to just select the terms and conditions. It's right here. Now you can go ahead and you can hit the save changes, and now your terms and condition page is actually set up. Same like this, we've got this secure checkout. Okay, what is secure checkout? Basically, it's HTTPS. If you see some domains, okay, if you just go to ebay.com, then ebay.com will be having a lock here. So this lock basically refers that this is a secure website. Okay, and we will be talking about this later on when we will be working up with our the complete course. Okay, then in the end we will be talking about this HTTPS. This is actually called the SSL. I will be creating a specific section for it because this is very deep thing. So just leave it right now. Okay, when we'll be working up with that HTTPS, then you will understand it. Same like this, we've got the checkout endpoints. What is this? Okay, let me just show it to you. Basically, these are, if I just go to my store right now, okay, and I just go to my account, okay, then in the my account page, I can view my order, I can go to order, I can download something. So you can see I've got this orders. If I just come up here, I go to orders, okay, then in this orders, I would be having my account /order. Okay, so this is exactly this thing coming, which is actually called my account -order page. Same like this, we've got the view order. So if I just come up here and I just click here, then we've got this view -order. So this will be like my account view -order 22. Okay, so you can change it to be anything, like if you want to view your order. Okay, now if you just go ahead and you hit save, then it was basically first view -order. Now it will be turned to view your order. Okay, it says page not found because obviously now the link has changed. So we have to just come up here. We have to go to the orders, and then we have to click this view here, and it's going to be turned to view your order. So this is what we call as basically endpoint. Same like this, we've got this checkout endpoints. Checkout means that when you will pay something, okay, when the payment will be done, then it's gonna be like order is received and add payment method, and these will be like here. So these are not really much recommended to actually just go and mess with them. Otherwise, it totally depends upon you how you want it to be. So now we're done with our advanced settings. Let's talk about this REST API. Basically, API is a thing that is used to actually give access to your site if you actually want to. So you have to create an API key. Let's suppose that if you want to use a WooCommerce WooCommerce app. There is a WooCommerce app for iOS. Okay, so that iOS app basically needs your API from here, and then you have to enter that here, and then you can actually access your WooCommerce products from here. You can view the dashboard, you can do it like this. So everything we've got here is actually done like that. Okay, so this is what we have, and then we have the webhooks and this right here. So this is not just right here done in the first section, so we may be probably hooking up when we need them. Okay, not right now we need them, so we will just stop till here REST API, and in the next video we will be working up with the categories of our product. Bye bye.